Covering Montgomery County, Maryland now, where council members are seeing what could be the beginning of a concerning trend, rising unemployment. Lionel Donovan joins us now with more.
The trend emerged as officials looked at numbers from the end of the first quarter. Although unemployment numbers have risen compared to this time last year, Montgomery County's unemployment rate is still below the national average, but the difference is only 1.1%. And as federal firings continue, that could change fast. Last week, Montgomery County's leaders saw the beginning of the potential fallout of widespread federal layoffs. Rising unemployment. During a briefing on the county's economy, researchers presented numbers showing that total unemployment increased nearly 17% between March of 2024 and March of 2025. As researchers presented their findings, they explained that the data only goes up to the end of the first quarter of the year, when the layoffs began.
Almost 1,400 USAID employees working for contractors that were laid off, and also the 2,200 Health and Human Services workers that were laid off. So that's really just a very large wave in the first quarter of 2025.
But more federal cuts are on the way. Just a day after this presentation, the State Department laid off more than 1,300 workers as part of a plan to reduce its labor force by 15%. Even more layoffs are expected. The Supreme Court allowed the Trump administration to continue with mass layoffs and restructuring as legal challenges in lower courts move forward. And as more federal workers continue to lose their jobs, researchers warn that Montgomery County's unemployment numbers could climb even higher.
We can't tell for certain, but there are likely quite a few people in the that live in Montgomery County that are included in the Washington, D.C. number here because their workplace was in Washington, D.C.
Montgomery County Council members said that they plan on taking a closer look at this data to get a better idea of exactly how many residents are unemployed and look at what can be done to bring more business to the county. From the studio, Lionel Donovan, WUSA 9.